Step 1. Draw a large flower petal. Then draw a large rose petal in the middle of the white page. The petals should be a little longer. Step 2. Draw other petals next to the first petal. Draw a different petal, exactly the same, next to the first one. Then draw small petals curved towards the top of the flower, as we have shown in the picture above. Step 3. Draw the flower stalk. We will draw a small flower stalk just below the flower. Then we will draw the origin of the stalk behind the active leaf. Draw flowers and flower stalks in such a way that the flower looks slightly tilted to the left. Step 4. Start shedding roses. Drawing this picture is a very fun job. The picture is easy to draw, so you don't need any color. You can color this picture with the same rules that you use to draw this picture. The right side of the flower should be lightly shaded up and down. The inside of the line will be a little more black and the middle will be a little less black. Step 5. Shedding of the first petals of the rose flower. Paint the first petals very carefully and slowly. Shading should be done in a small line from the bottom of the flower. Then paint the edges of the flower a little more black towards the outline and lighten in the middle. Step 6. Paint the petals on the top of the flower. It is very easy to paint flower petals. You can color the petals of others as you like. All you need to know is the correct method and rules of shading. By color we mean shading. If you want, you can give shading the way we have painted. Paint in such a way that it looks as if one petal is attached to another petal in a categorical way. Step 7. Shade the flower stalk and the leaf under the flower. Thoughtfully paint the flower stalks. The stalk of the rose flower stands on the thorns, so we'll make the edges a little more black and pointed. Then we will paint the stem black on the top and bottom. Now we will color the leaf. Blacken the inside of the flower petals a little and keep the outside white. Paint from top to bottom or from bottom to top. Draw the outer part of the leaf, by drawing small lines.